So quickly guys, let me just put you through this one, how you can get this absolutely for free. This coin is currently trading at 22 cents, as you can see on CoinMarketCap, and it's ranked 400. And you can see the watch list over here. You can get this coin for free as I speak to you now if you follow these steps below. Check the description and make sure you follow the instructions. Okay, so now let's get to it. This coin have been around for a very long time, of course. Yeah, and they're still doing this kind of airdrop. It's actually a search engine, as you can see. Yeah, this is one of my accounts, and you can see this. I have 78 Presearch, and which is about $20 currently. So when you meet up the threshold of 1,000 Presearch, you can easily withdraw it to any exchange, and then you can see the number of exchanges they are currently trading. Right, they are currently listed here. You can see Bitfinex, Binance, and the rest like that. So you can see the let me just show you guys the trade volume. Right, you can see the trade volume. Right, the trading volume in 24 hours is $1.5 million, and then you can see the market cap and everything right here. So you can just give it a try. Of course, it doesn't cost you anything. Obviously, all you have to do is sign up and then search, just like a normal search engine, like the way Google, and the rest works. Just search, and then they pay you in Presearch, of course, and that is all you have to do. Make sure you log in every day, then you search every day, then you can refer your friends or anybody to use. Then they reward you for joining the node, of course. When you join, they just pay you out, and then you're good to go. So I hate to waste your time. All you have to do is just follow the instruction, then follow the link, okay? And then you can leave a comment below if there's anything you need to ask, okay? So that's all you have to do now. So just get to it, and I'll be coming with another good airdrop soon. So just stay tuned, and then don't forget to subscribe. All right.